Hey, it's Kate from Bonnie Curtis Projects. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Today we're going to be learning a bit of a shoulder stand trick, so hopefully your shoulder's not too sore. Before you do this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel down below, and also make sure you do the warm-up. If you haven't done a warm-up or you don't know what to do, please go to the link in the iCards right here and you can do a warm-up just along with us. So as always, guys, you don't need to be wearing shoes for this, but if you want to feel like a rock star, you can wear some like me. Okay, so I'll show you what we're gonna end up doing and then I'll break it down for you guys, okay? So it's gonna look a little bit like this. You don't have to end with your crotch to the audience if you don't want to. Or you can also end like this, for a little more subtle ending there. Okay, so either way, we're gonna go into it the same way. I'm going to be lying on this side of my body and I'm really pushing the floor away, okay? So come down to your little lie on the floor and really, I like to make a fist with this hand sometimes just so I have the energy to push. And this other hand is my balance hand. It's gonna hopefully not get stuck under my hair. It's gonna push against the floor and this is what's holding my weight up. Then I swing this other leg around, swing, 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 and I get my bum as high up in the air as I can, so it's really stacked on top of the rest of me, okay? If you don't get your bum right high enough, you're gonna feel really unstable. I'll show you what I mean. So if I only come to here, I feel really, it's like such an effort to get up. So swing your leg a little bit of energy, and try and stack your bum over your head. Okay, ready? Let's go. Swing. That's it. You've got a beautiful crotch shot to the audience. Maybe wear some pants today. Let's try again. So push into the floor with your hand and the side of your body. Push, swing, hips up. That's it. Okay. That's the most important part of the move. The rest is just a little bit of coordination. Okay, so the second part of it is what are your legs doing to get you back up again? So I'm in this beautiful position. I'll do it with my arms. I'm kind of swung around, and then this top leg, the one that's furthest, this one, is going to come up and over as best I can like a rainbow. The bottom one is the sneaky one. It's going to bend and I'm going to come to my knee, okay? So the top one's the beautiful one, the one everyone's looking at. This bottom one is my little sneaky one, okay? So I'll show you. Let's try just that. So my top leg goes up and over, my bottom leg goes sneak in. And I want to come so I'm on like, see, I'm on my knee there, but it's not right on my kneecap, it's a bit on the shin part. Okay, let's try it all together. Ready, off we go. Yeah, so you can see I'm in this position. It's a bit awkward. And then from there, I'm gonna push with my upper body to get up again. Push. Good. Okay. Ooh, I'm stuck. All right. So the whole thing is the swing, the balance, up and over, sneaky leg. And then my first one where we just did then, I just bring this rainbow leg all the way down to the floor and push my hands to get back up. We'll do that one more time. Ready? Push and sit. Now, if you are wearing heels, make sure you don't sit on the heel, it really hurts. So just make sure that leg's out a little bit. If you're not wearing shoes, it's all good. Now for my more difficult ending, I need to push a little bit harder, extend that leg, plant it on the floor, and then let my body get over to it afterwards. So a little delay. So it goes leg, sneaky leg, and body. Okay, so I really want that foot planted before I bring my body up. Let's do it, or maybe just watch me for this one. Round, plant, over. Yes, and hopefully it looks okay. But if you kind of smooth it out and don't have all those stops, it should look really nice. So let's go again. Round, knee, up, and stop. And this hand can do whatever you want. You can have a cup of tea. Delicious. Okay, let's try a few more times. So we'll do that tricky ending and then we'll try the easy one again. Ready? Off we go. Round, knee, foot, body, yes. And the easier ending. Round, knee, foot, sit. Amazing. Thanks so much for doing this tutorial with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification button so you never miss out on a tutorial, and I'll see you next time. If you liked this video, you can support us on Patreon. For as little as $1 a month, you can help us keep creating awesome tutorial videos and projects. Check out the link in the video description below. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kate Garrett and I'm a dancer in Bonnie Cutter's Projects. Who is Bonnie Cutter's Projects anyway? We are an independent dance company based in Sydney. We have beautiful dancers, beautiful ideas that we want to create, and we create genre-defying works on stage, online. Sometimes we get to tour when there's no COVID. To find out more about us, please visit our website and follow us on social media. All the links are down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to our next tutorial.